Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas! Today I'm gonna show you guys what I have my Christmas gift. This string is the biggest of my Christmas gift for this year. Okay, let's show you guys. Surprise! G-SHOCK. This one my lovely things, my hoping things. Okay, let's open together. This it's come from this box. Inside the box, surprise! It's the can, the metal. The can. I'm gonna open. It's the bubble. Oh, sorry. Wait. The first thing is the zero guarantee. Okay. Casio model number 32303232. Behind with stamp is say currently 1 year, but you don't open the watch, only the watch. If you have opened it, the guarantee 1 year is over. Okay. Okay. Next one, international warranty declaration. Something blah blah blah. Okay, next step. And the band. Using the band, there are many languages. One language is Thai language. Okay. Just different languages. Okay. Next one, I'm gonna take off the bubble and the watch. Inside the bag, the plastic bag, inside the can with the bubble for support the watch, because the watch may damage, right? Okay, remove the bag. Is the watch. G-SHOCK. The more edges slipped and reset, start and stop, start and stop. The strap made from resin with gold hardware. You can see this hardware. This hardware, Casio, Thailand. The bottom is sticker. It's only from dealer, or from the seller. but this stainless steel made in China. The strap with 11 holes. 11 holes. The hardware, school hardware, is quite nice and good quality. It came without damage, right? The strap is hard enough for using and strong, I think. I'm gonna try and show you guys. I have a kind of small hand. Sorry, can you see? Okay. It look like small, look like classy, look like sportman, look like a sexy man, or not? Why not? You know, I'm so happy. Oh my god. I want to have this course. I love D-Sharp, but I have never any chance to buy this. But this year, I have my biggest gift, Christmas gift, you know. It's so surprise for me. Okay, and I think it's not too big, you know. It's quite perfect for me, you know. I'm not sure how much, you know, but I think depend from the dealer or depend from the seller. I have ever searched in their Amazon or in their other website. The price is different, you know. But I'm not sure. Is there made from Japan or not? I'm not sure. But behind the box, just say Casio hand wash, the country, the produce country. There are Korea, Taiwan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, China, Thailand, and Japan. But I got this thing. This one made from China. Just only this hardware, Casio, Thailand. So today I'm so happy, and I hope you guys have good life and you have a wonderful gift for your Christmas. Thank you for watching. Thank you for chatting. Thank you for comments. If you have any question, just down below my video. And thank you for subscribe. So bye bye.